England is a country of hedgerows. Hedges line the country lanes and separate one field from another. We are apt to think of hedges as places where only plants grow, but sharp eyes can see that the plants in the hedges and the leaves beneath them on the ground or in a ditch are used by many animals to conceal their homes. In spring, safe among the primroses under the hedgerow, lives a family of young robins. But nests in the bare hedgerows are too easily seen for safety. This polecat is very fond of eggs. Even in her home on the ground, the blackbird suffers from alarms. Something is moving in the dead leaves of the ditch. But after all, it's only the hedgehog waking after his long winter sleep to look for a huge breakfast. Soon the hedges are in full leaf and blossom, so the birds can hide their homes more safely. Under the spray is the nest of the hedge-sparrow. From a safe place in the branches, the baby chaffinches clamor for food. Where the hedge joins the wood is the home of the nightingale. Now at midsummer, the hedgerows are in full leaf, and the turtle dove rears her two babies on a platform of sticks. She brings home food in her crop, and the young dove takes it from her beak. At the bottom of the hedge, the hedgehog is still busily looking for insects among the cow parsley. In the thick grasses, Mrs. Hedgehog has made a nest where two baby hedgehogs will be safe until their eyes are open and their prickles are really prickly. The rabbits are watched by the tawny-owl, who has her home in an old rabbit burrow. Her mate is on guard on a branch above. From his perch, he can see the reapers at work in the cornfield. Now the mice have deserted the farmhouse for a holiday in the stubble. The owl takes up a strategical position on the gate. Off runs the mouse, but he's too late. The farmer turns his chickens into the fields, and there stray eggs are laid. On these, the hedgehog begins his autumn meal. All the wild creatures are busily collecting food before winter comes. The trees are in fruit: blackberries, crab apples, elderberries. The red squirrel gathers acorns. The magpie is attracted by the hips and haws. Here too comes the dormouse, with a watchful eye on the tawny-owl, who's on the lookout for a harvest of mice. This night bird seems to find the sunlight trying. When the owl looks away, the dormouse runs down to a nest in the hedgerow where it can sleep away the winter months.